Hey guys, it's Chase at the Panhandle-Plains Historical Museum, and today I'm going to show you how to make a little desktop calendar. So what you're going to need is 3 pieces of cardboard or cardstock. It doesn't matter what size or what color. You do need a full-sized one. The other ones can be scraps, but you're going to need a 12 by 9. And what we're going to do is we're going to measure down. We're going to have it facing this way. And we're going to measure an inch, and then another inch. And what we're going to do is end up folding those, increasing them, and then we're going to bring those together, and we're going to crease it again. So this will form your actual calendar. Once you unfold the bottom pieces a little bit, it'll be able to stand on its own, and that'll be what sits on your desktop. So next what we're going to do is, with whatever color you want, I'm using a scrap piece of blue paper, you're going to measure out a rectangle that is 4 inches. And then the other side of it is going to be 5 inches. And you end up cutting that out. And I already pre-cut mine to save a little bit of time. And it's going to be like this. And then on whatever other color you want, you're going to measure out a square that'll be 2.5 inches by 2.5 inches. And just like with the other one, I've already pre-cut it to save a little bit of time for us. So with this blue piece of paper, what you're going to do is on the edges, you're going to measure from the edge an inch. So there's an inch, there's another inch, and then there's that last one. So what we're going to do is, where those inches are, we're going to fold, increase, and then it'll look like this. It'll have a little flap in front. And then where that flap is, you're going to fold it back again on that inch. And then the same thing on the other side. And then once you hold it like this, you'll have a little pocket to stick your dates in. So after you get all 3 of these pockets made, we're going to take our glue and put glue on the sides where it's folded. And then set it on the edge. And glue it down. Like that. Oh, it came off. And then you'll stick that card in there, and that'll be your start. So on mine, whenever it was all finished, it turned out like this. On the bottom of them, you can write months, day, and then the day of the week if you want, and I have January 1st, which will be a Friday of 2021. If you go ahead and make one of these, share it with the museum, and you can decorate them with whatever you want. I go to WT, so I put a Go Buffs on top of mine with our hand signal. Thank you, and have a good day.